Bye. Soon I'm going to post another video to our member here at YouTube because I'm editing some video and I'm going to post it. Really soon. I just need to edit it first. So you can have a lot of videos to see. And guys, if we reach 100 member, I'm going to do a private live for you guys. If we reach the 100 members, right now we only have 4 members. So more to come. So we can, if we reach 100 members in our YouTube, I'm gonna do a breastfeeding be live on live. For only the exclusive for the members only. If we reach the 100 members, okay? So if you wanna watch, I can no cancel. Ano tutorial. Na 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 na. Please share the live, and give me likes. Give me likes, everyone. And share the live. I'm gonna fix myself a little. What's the weather right now in your country, guys? Here, obviously, it's so hot. Oh, sweating a lot. I'm from Philippines. How about you, my friend? Please share the live. Share the live, please. Share our live, everyone, so we can reach a lot of people. Please. I'm from Philippines. How about you guys? Why is it so hot right now? I'm sweating a lot. I love you, beautiful, my friend. Thank you. Hello. Hi, Homo Pacific, my friend. Hi. Welcome back again, my friend. Thank you for coming again. Guys, can we reach the 100? 100 views and I will show you my full outfit. I'm gonna, you know, show the full outfit only. I'm from Philippines. Hello, love from India. Hi, thank you. You need to look good. So I don't have another anything to put my base, only the kilay and a little bit of lipstick. Hi friends, who are you? I'm Chubby Mom. Look at my lipstick. Oh, I don't have lipstick anymore. I just going to do like this. I'm so poor. I don't have money to buy lipstick anymore. It's like, I'm not going to give my WhatsApp number to anyone right now at the moment. Love you all. Let's